Good morning, all of you. Siddesh, can you please switch on your camera?
Yeah, sure.
Good
Hello, good
morning, all
morning.
of you, and welcome to the third episode of. Good morning. So I just welcome to the third episode of Pathik Tales. We started this initiative 2 weeks ago, and this is the stories about all the students of Pathik who have really made it quite well in life, big in life, I would say, by using the Pathik principles in their lives. So I would like to introduce this young lad to you. We came to know each other when he was only 20 years old. He had tried his tryst in academics, and then he tried his career like normal people do. Not much luck came to his way during that time. Also tried to be in the film industry, and at one point of time decided that there is no stability there. There was a point of time when he was penniless. He had no direction in life, and he was going through a very difficult phase. He's going to explain to you himself. I would not like to tell you about that. And today he is at a position where he is only at the age of 27 heading his own business. He has a project under him, which is he is a builder and developer in his own right, and he has during the lockdown uh, made got into a huge project. So he has acquired land which is 1100 acres, which is huge, 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 and it's a huge project. He's going to tell you more about this. So it's an absolutely fascinating story, and I'm sure all of you are extremely eager to know about how this young lad did it in just 7 years. So, friends, with a huge round of applause, I would like to welcome to this third episode of Pathik Tales, uh, Siddesh Kanade. Can we have a big yo in the chat section for him? Welcome, Siddesh.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
So, Siddesh, let's start. Let's straight away get into the interview. Why don't you introduce yourself? I mean, who are you? What have you studied? And what do you do at present? In short.
Yeah. Hello, friends. I'm working as a builder and developer. I started my career by this in this Konkan region. My first building we built here in Vaibhavwadi. After that, now I'm working in Mumbai and also in Konkan.
Okay. So, Siddesh, that is about your present. Now, let's go about,
Yeah.
say, around 7 years back. So,
Hmm.
at the age of 20, let's start from the time we get to know each other. What brought you to Pathik? And what were you doing at that time? What was the
Yeah.
stage of your life at that time? So, आप बीच-बीच में हिंदी में ही बात कर सकते
Uh,
हैं.
that yeah, sure. That was a very horrible stage. मतलब, you can say there was nothing direction in my life, nothing, not at all. मतलब क्या आगे करना है कुछ पता नहीं है, कैसे वर्किंग करना है पता नहीं है. I was struggling, कुछ तो करना है, कुछ अलग करना है, but there was no direction, there was no clear visibility in life. While doing this, I was in film industry after my education. I chose that industry with some of my friends. I worked as a EP for 3 months. I was just working for an experience to get an experience. Then I came to know after doing one movie, I came to know that there is no reality of money in this industry. So I decided it's better to quit right now only. And I went back. Uh, Again, what to do after quitting? Also, what to do? Then one of my friend came and told me, you have invested your 1 year in this, so you should again move on the same criteria. You should work on this field more. So I said, okay, chalo, we'll do it again. One of my friend, he was a director, and he has some good concepts with him, so he came with that. So for that, which we were finding some finances here and there, we were roaming out. One day, I was in Pune, Chinswad, for to meet some producer. That day, sir, what happened? At this Chinswad station, I lost my chain. I used to wear very lot of gold earlier. वो कैसे बाप के पैसे का होता है ना, तो
हाँ.
वो पहन के ऐसे ही घूमते थे. तो that day I realized, मतलब वो बहुत झटका लगा उसका. And
You were wearing a chain, so झटका
yeah,
क्यों?
yeah, yeah. वो
See,
चैन गया ना सर, तो लॉस हो गया टोटल. सो
अच्छा
आई फेल्ट के,
loss हो गया, वो आपने बताया नहीं. You didn't.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो चैन चोरी हो गया तो लॉस हो
So
गया, तो
somebody
वो
snatched
थोड़ा.
your chain.
या चैन वॉज स्नैच्ड. सो अभी घर पे कैसे बताएगी? सो आई डिसाइडेड मैं तो घर पे जा नहीं रहा हूँ. इट्स बेटर आई विल डू वॉट एवर हियर ओनली. सो दैट टाइम आई समथिंग, मतलब ऐसे दिमाग में आया कि सुसाइड ही कर लेते अभी, अभी घर पे जाना नहीं. सो ऐसा सब चल रहा था कंटिन्यूस. देयर वाज, मतलब ये फेलियर फेलियर फेलियर, कंटिन्यूसली फेलियर्स चल रहे थे. सो दैट टाइम आई कॉल्ड माय मॉम एंड आई टोल्ड हर कि ऐसे ऐसे हुआ है. शी टोल्ड मी जस्ट कम बैक होम, विल सी व्हाटएवर इट इज, डोंट पैनिक, जस्ट कम बैक. And once I came back home, I met Suresh Jatar, who was your student in 1993, Pathik. So he told me about the Pathik, and he said that you have to do this anyhow. Whatever business you want to do, you will do it. But before that, you have to do Pathik at any. So firstly, sir, मेरे को तो मतलब I was not ready for that. I met Mangesh first, and then I told कि ये मंगेश ने तो पूरा हमारा खाल उधेड़ दिया उधर मिलते ही. एंड आई टोल्ड कि ये अभी आगे बढ़ने वाला नहीं है. बट एनीवे आई केम टू लीडरशिप. आई सॉ द फर्स्ट डिसिप्लिन मैनर कि एक मिनट भी लेट होते हो आप तो यू हैव टू सिट आउट. एंड वो टाइम मतलब एवरीथिंग वॉट एवर द लीडरशिप वी लर्नड इन लीडरशिप, वॉट एवर पथिक लीडरशिप.
Okay. So, but you were, I mean, it was just a thought, or you were really had become so desperate in life because of failures, and so that that loss of chain actually had brought you to the brinking point where you actually thought of committing suicide, or it was just a possible, just a passing thought in your mind, or you were really frustrated to that extent?
No, I thought of committing suicide. Even I had planned कि अभी वो रेलवे पटरी पे ही जाने का और ये कर देने का करके. लेकिन luckily one of my friend was there and I called my mom at the same time, and that was the time when I came back again. Because से उससे पहले भी ना continuous failure थे. Continuously
Okay.
I was failing in the things. Continuous मतलब वो industry में कुछ workout हो ही नहीं रहा था. I was trying a lot but I was failing again and again.
Okay, okay. So what happened in the Pathik leadership course? You said the Pathik leadership course helped you, but can you tell us about what Vinces you take up? So before that, let me explain to the audience that Pathik leadership course is a 3 months program. And during this program, we teach people a lot of concepts about how to live life on your own terms. Uh, but ultimately, there was a lot of criticism in the initial stages. Now it's a 32 years old legacy we have, but initially people used to say that motivational programs don't do any good. They give you temporary motivation and then life doesn't change. So to give a befitting answer to the critics, and we really thought there could be what they're saying is right. So at the end of 3 months, in the last 1 month, every participant in the program who comes, whoever it is, we appeal them to take up a project, a live project where they have to do something in their life and create a practical result in their life. It's not a classroom project. It's not a lab project. And they have to create a result in 1 month, which they have never dreamt of creating in their life here before. So that's is what we call a Vinces. So normally if you are achieving a result of 100, we teach them, we train them, and we push them to achieve a result of 300 in 1 month. And I'm happy to say about 60 to 70% of the people actually achieve 300, and the rest of 30-40%, even if they don't achieve 300, they go to 150 or 200, which is still double of what they used to achieve in life. So let's see what Siddesh took at that time. So Siddesh, what was your Vinces at that time? What Vinces did you take up?
I was doing a movie called Baji Prabhu Deshpande. It was a biopic of Baji Prabhu Deshpande. At that time, it was supposed to be directed by my friend Shailesh Nile. And while doing that, the Vinces I took was to get the production, this finance for the production house of 1 crore rupees. So while doing that,
1 crore. Okay.
two things helped me a lot. One was the 1 crore. Two things helped me a lot. One was the Vinces, and secondly the Timesys, which we learned in that. So Timesys made me to manage everything. And Samir, you know that okay, instead of 1 crore, we completed Vinces with 50 crores
50
at that
crores
time.
you were able to. Wow, wow. Okay, 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 wow.
Yeah. but somehow due to the arguments in production houses and all, so the picture was never sure happened again. मतलब shoot ही नहीं हुआ कुछ
Okay. Okay.
ऐसे था. But हाँ, but okay, it was. I realized my capacity कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. And 1 crore was also the big thing for me that time.
Right. Right. Yeah, of course. 1 crore is a huge amount. 7 years ago, it was a huge amount. When you achieve 50 crores, which is, of course, fantabulous. So you achieved the Vinces, but actually, practically in life, the movie never happened. Baji Prabhu Deshpande never happened.
Never,
Who was
never.
it's just a matter of curiosity. I'm asking you, who was supposed to be the hero of the movie?
Ajay Devgan was supposed to be in the role of this Shivaji Maharaj. No, Ajay Devgan was in the role of Baji Prabhu Deshpande, and
Okay.
Rajnikant was supposed to be in the role of Shivaji Maharaj.
Oh, so that would have
We
been
also had
really a
that
good.
paper cutouts, electronic media, print media cutouts were also there. They
Okay.
sold the T-shirts of Veer Baji Prabhu Deshpande in the UK and everywhere, over the overseas.
Okay. Okay. But the movie never happened. Okay. So now then something very interesting. So here you are, you have done the leadership course, you have done the Vinces, you have got a finance, you raised a finance not to your target of 1 crore, but to 50 crores. Then what made you leave the film industry and what happened later? उसके बाद क्या हुआ?
तो बाद में ना ये सब I realized that there is no reality of money in this field, and which again I started asking me what is the thing that what will you like to do? तेरे को सबसे पसंद क्या है? क्या कर सकता है? So what I thought is कि in construction I like the planning. मतलब लोगों को क्या serve कर सकते हैं? What kind of best homes I can give? What kind of best commercials we can give? इसके ऊपर अपने को planning करने को मजा आ रहा है. So then I started for the construction workout.
Okay. So tell us how you got into construction. I mean, suddenly from movies to construction, did you directly start? Did you work somewhere, get experience?
No.
Did you research? क्या हुआ?
I worked with one builder for some time, for 3 months.
Okay.
After that, I started. I planned कि these are the things. अभी इसमें कोई rocket science तो है नहीं. Construction अपने को अगर contractors अच्छे हैं, working position अच्छे हैं, technically सब सही जा रहा है. तो what you need a good market and the need of customer to be fulfilled.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I started to approach some builders and I used to ask them कि सर इधर करते हैं, ये कोंकण में करेंगे. I selected Konkan because it is my native one, and the price of selling was very less. It was 3,000 square feet for residential. Some. So it was a very less amount, which we can deal it very easily. And the construction cost also was around 1,500 to 1,600 per square feet.
So
So I decided to.
you had shared one. You had shared one story about how you visited Konkan and the train stopped at Vaivavadi and that was
I'm
an
coming to
accident.
that. I'm coming. Yeah. So what happened? I used to meet some builders. So there was one of builder who told me that okay, we'll do in Konkan. We'll start our project in Konkan. I'm ready for that.
Okay.
He said okay. He asked me, I will pay you 25,000 rupees salary. I was like, okay sir. I am ready. 25,000 तो 25,000. मैं आ रहा हूँ. मुझे काम करना है, काम सीखना है. So then I decided to go with him. I remember, I don't know exactly what date it was, but it was in the March, mid of March. I traveled from Mumbai to this Vaivavadi, and that was the day. मेरे जेब में सिर्फ 1,000 रुपया था. 1,000 रुपये में मैं घर से निकला. जनशताब्दी करके सुबह 5 बजे का ट्रेन है, वो पकड़ के मैं सीधा इधर आया. And my ticket was up to Kankavli, the next station again the Vaivavadi. And luckily ना, the train वो उधर क्रॉसिंग के लिए रुक गया. क्या दिमाग में आया क्या बता, मैं उधर ही उतर गया. एंड आई स्टार्टेड उधर से उतर के पटरी पे कूदा और आगे गए. एंड फ्रॉम दैट उधर स्टेशन पे जाके मैंने रिक्शा वाले को पूछा कि बॉस मेरे को ऐसे ऐसे जाने का, माय होम इज अराउंड 10 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम द स्टेशन. सो आई आस्क्ड रिक्शा वाला कि मुझे यहाँ पे जाने का. तो ही सेड ओके आई विल टेक 250 रुपीज. बोला अरे भाई 400 रुपए में मैं बम्बई से इधर आया. यू आर आस्किंग फॉर 250 रुपीज. So I said him, leave it. I will start walking. Walked for around 3 kilometers something. Then I called one of my friend, and then I gave go. Then I was with him. He dropped me at home and everything.
Okay.
I said. Then I was waiting for the builder
So then
who
what happened?
committed
So
me.
you reached home. So,
Yeah. Then I was waiting for a week for that builder who committed me to be there for the building which we were supposed to develop in Kankavli. So I
okay.
said, okay, let's. He was telling, आज आऊंगा, कल आऊंगा, परसों आऊंगा. तो रुका था मैं उसके लिए. तो बाकी वो तो आया नहीं.
Oh.
So at that time, one day morning, my mama, he met me, Mr. Pramod.
So that means you didn't get that job. You went there, but that job never happened.
No, sir, नहीं, कुछ नहीं हुआ उसमें.
Okay.
So my mama met me one day morning,
Hmm.
and he started asking me what you are doing, what's going on. You are into flames, then why you are into construction now? And then, so he said me one line which I will never forget in my life. He said, "Market में तेरी जरूरत क्या है? Why market need you?
Okay.
अगर market में तेरी जरूरत नहीं है, you don't need to exist in the world. सोच ले तेरे को क्या करना है."
Okay.
And then he offered me the project. He said, "You're into construction now. I have a project which was stopped by before something 2.5 years ago.
Okay.
They were planning for to do it, but due to some reasons they didn't put any kind of initiative in that, and the project was just like that only at 0% condition. So he
Hmm.
asked me, now it will be your choice whether to develop it or not."
Okay.
I said, डायरेक्ट डेवलप करने का है? मतलब मैं तो गया था किसी का प्रोजेक्ट संभालने के लिए, प्लस डायरेक्ट डेवलप
Right.
करने का है? अभी हाँ भी कैसे बोलूं? बोला, yeah, I will do it. कुछ सोचा नहीं, बोला I will do it. Immediately we called the contractor. He told me to take him to the site. कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के बाइक से मैं गया उधर साइड पे, पूरा वो प्रोजेक्ट देखा क्या है क्या. सर मुझे ये भी पता नहीं था कि कौन सा स्टील यूज करने का है या क्या करने का है. आई वाज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ एनीथिंग. बट दैट डे,
Right.
that whole day we sat for 3 to 4 hours with that engineer, and I asked him what are the things we are supposed to do, क्या क्या करना चाहिए, ये किधर से लाएगा, ये मटेरियल किधर से जाएगा, तो आपका कॉस्ट कितना आ रहा है, सेल कैसे अपने को बाउंड करते हैं. तो सेल के बारे में वो तो मुझे सीधा ही बोला, सर सेल कैसा लाने का अगर मेरे को मालूम होता तो मैं खुद ही बांध देता. So that was the thing. So I said, okay. Sir, for 6 months, I used to go Delhi. सुबह जाता था, इससे बात करता था, वापिस आता था. सुबह जाता था, इससे बात करता था. वो साइड ऑफिस था हमारा छोटा 10 बाय 10 का. उसमें बैठ के हम लोग यही करते थे सिर्फ. अच्छा ऐसा करने का, ऐसा करने का, ऐसा. 7th month पे फर्स्ट क्लाइंट के, और मेरा वो पहला सेल हुआ था 25 lakhs. He was a local customer. I sold him the first shop, and that was my first initiative. 25 lakhs का एक शॉप सेल किया, पूरा का पूरा. उसमें मतलब वो पहला चेक, एडवांस का पहला चेक, बाद में अपना इसका क्या वो बोलते हैं उसको, एग्रीमेंट टू सेल, एंड दिस वाज वेरी न्यू फॉर मी.
Yeah.
और ये सब आई वाज एंजॉयिंग दैट एक्सपीरियंस. ये करते करते ना इतना मजा आया. And that time that building was into Gram Panchayat actually. So the FSI was 0.90. And luckily it converted into upgraded to Nagar Panchayat. So the FSI we got was 1.2 again. So I said, yes, this is the great thing. अब मुझे खेलने मिलेगा कि मेरे को मेरे हिसाब से डिजाइन करने मिलेगा. So I sat with the architect for 3 days. उसके घर पे जाके रहा मैं आर्किटेक्ट. बोला सर, जब 3 दिन में पूरा एलिवेशन सर चेंज किया
Okay. Okay.
बिल्डिंग का. ऐसे करके फिर टोटल प्रोजेक्ट वाज, पहले का था वो कुछ 2 CR का था
Hmm.
टोटल प्रोजेक्ट. आगे का जो हो गया, जो चेंज करने के बाद, इट वाज 5.50 CR टोटल. 5.5 करोड़ का प्रोजेक्ट था वो.
Okay. Okay, that's great. So what brought you to Business Plus? When did that happen? This happened during this project, or it happened?
Yeah, Business Plus was happened during this project only. Once what happened, I was looking for a team. Now up to now I was a one man army doing all this thing.
Okay.
Once Mangesh called me regarding this, and we met in the Orchid. I met you also that time, and you asked me how's going on and all. I told, ज्यादा ये सब हो रहा है, but वो it's like somewhere gada majuri. I'm the only one person who is looking after everything. मैं ही ऑफिस का मालिक है, मैं ही ऑफिस का प्यून, सब मैं ही कर रहा हूँ. Then Mangesh told me to this join Business Plus and all. बोला ठीक है चलो करते हैं. फर्स्ट आई वाज नॉट रेडी. मतलब मंगेश ये नहीं होगा यार, इतना ट्रैवल करना है वापस कंटिन्यूअसली, क्योंकि मैं ज्यादा करके कोंकण में रह रहा हूँ अभी, क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट वहां पे है. सो ही टोल्ड मी नो, यू हैव टू डू इट एनी हाउ. एंड देन आई वाज इनटू बिजनेस प्लस, व्हिच हेल्प्ड मी ट्रेमेंडसली. फर्स्ट जीटीआरटी पार्ट, गेटिंग द राइट टीम. इसमें हमको समझा कि हमें किसको लेना है, किसको नहीं लेना है.
Okay.
ज्यादा करके किसको ना बोलना है, which was very very important.
Okay.
लेना है we can understand, we can pass the filter. Secondly was the finances module, and also the core team, which was very very important. Yeah, also the sales engine. We have the pipeline now. What we had learned in this GTRT, sorry, Business Plus, we have this own sales engine. It's always everything are pipeline. So we have the good customer database and everything. Now the things are working in not 100% but 50% on autopilot mode.
Okay. Okay. That's great. That's great. So you were able to complete this project of 5.5 crores. How many flats and this you sold?
So total 46 shops were there and 20 flats in this project. Out of 20 flats are all sold out. एक मैंने सिर्फ मेरे लिए रखा है, नहीं तो कभी जाएगा तो वॉचमैन पूछेगा आप कौन है, इसलिए बोले एक फ्लैट तो अपना रखते हैं. And total 46 shops. Out of that we sold around 30 shops are sold out now. 16 shops we have kept in our hand, which we are not going to sell right now.
Okay. Okay. So chalo, now till now we have understood your story about how you started as a aimless lad, was totally depressed, had suicidal thoughts, left film industry, did a lot of research and struggle, got into I would not say lucky, but yeah, of course, through a lot of efforts, got your first project. Business Plus helped you to develop your business and complete the project. उसके बाद I think lockdown शुरू हुआ, right?
Yes, yes.
What are you doing now? Just enjoying the profits of that 5.5 crores which you earned, or you did something else? Yeah,
Lockdown, मेरे हिसाब से lockdown is the best period which I got with my team members, with my family members also, and everyone. So, sir, in this lockdown period, we came with some new projects. One initiative I will tell before, which we done with our friends. Patik, all Patiks were there.
Okay.
Sir, हमने आम बेचे.
अच्छा, okay.
We sold around something 400 boxes of 400 to 600 boxes. I don't know exact figure, but which was a very good initiative was taken by our all Patiks. Rajesh Patil was there, Anand Kamble, Abhishek Tayekar, and this Sharad and all everything. अपने business plus के सब थे, which was a very good initiative. So इसमें ना एक पथिक का वैल्यू दिखा मुझे जो सब में कॉमन था हम में. इसमें से हमारे ना 200 के 300 बॉक्स कुछ खराब निकले. The farmer who was supposed to deliver us, he cheated somewhere. So 200 के 300 बॉक्स खराब निकले, which was we are going to face the loss of 2.5 lakh something. And we all were in the one tone that whether it is his mistake or our mistake, whatever it is, we are going to repay. And we repaid around 70 to 80 people. So the 100% amount was repaid.
Oh, acha.
Yeah, and that was the value which we learned, and we always. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, this was the value which we learned with you and all Patik team members, and then customer feedback was that कि ये ऐसा कोई करता नहीं है, तुम पागल लोग हैं. मैं बोला सर चलेगा, लेकिन ये आपका पैसा है, ये आपका क्या है, आप वो आम फेंक दो, उसका वो आप पल्प बनाओ, जो करना है करो. खराब है, we are never going to doubt on it. Because you gave us the order and we are not eligible to doubt it. So this was a story which this story was inspired by you when you told me that the Amazon story, when your landline was वो कुछ खराब हो गया था आपका फोन या कुछ तो राउटर, एंड दे डिलीवर्ड यू विदाउट
Yeah.
आस्किंग क्या हुआ है क्या नहीं हुआ है.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm glad to hear this story of about leaving Pathik Values, and one more mystery is solved because during this season I got a box of mangoes and the sender's name was not written. Now I know who did. The mystery is now Sunday. These are the guys who sent it because there was no sender's name, and we were
अच्छा,
wondering
अच्छा.
किसने भेजा है, किसने भेजा है, किसने. I think you guys have sent it, so thank you for that. Okay, yeah. So continue with this story. So you sold mangoes. After that, how did it
Yeah,
connect to the lockdown?
yeah. So this was the very
So
good one thing.
लॉकडाउन में क्या किया आपने?
ये लॉकडाउन में कर रहे थे हम लोग. और क्या है, ये तो एक साइड
अच्छा.
एक्टिविटी ऐसे ही टाइम पास में वॉक करते करते बात करते फोन पे ये कर दिए हम लोग. उसके बाद सर हम लोग है ना एक ऐसे चीज ध्यान में आई कि नाउ पीपल नीड देयर ओन स्पेस. मुंबई इज नॉट गुड फॉर देम. मतलब मुंबई
Okay.
is okay, but they need their space to live well, to have a healthy lifestyle. First of all, they need oxygen, which is not available in Mumbai. Oxygen hai, but everything is polluted. So we discovered one place here, idhar hi dekha main, which is upcoming project. So 1100 acres of land is there next to Mopa Airport,
Okay.
and we are planning for 1 acres of plot there.
Okay.
And we are going to construct it for the everyone, say NRIs, local. उसमें सब आएगा. आपका फार्म आपके फार्म में ही उगाओ सर, और आपके घर में खाओ.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay.
So we are planning that in
So it's a
1100 acres, 75 acres का सर लेक ही है.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I
Because
saw that.
looking forward, ये work from home का जो culture है. So if you work from home, you can work from anywhere. Not necessarily you should be in metropolitan city.
Right. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So I got some corporate requirements also. Corporates like this Zydus, we have got connected with Zydus. So they have the requirement of 6 villas,
Okay. Okay.
and we are trying to merge forward much more forward. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just give a quick glimpse about this project that you're talking about. So 1100 acres is really, really, really very, very huge, right? So
Yeah.
I just have your film. I just let's.
Yeah, sure, sure.
So
Even this survey was done in lockdown.
this is the land, is it? This is a lake. So this whole lake is a part of that land.
Yeah, it is 75 acres of lake.
Oh wow, wow, wow. So now tell me something. This is getting very interesting now. Uh, 2 3 important questions here. So first of all is such a huge project. For that you need two things. I mean, chalo, theek hai, it was still unimaginable that a person who is or a young man who is trying to look for a job took enough the I would say, the risk and the mantle of developing a whole project by himself, and you did it pretty successfully. You delivered those flats, and you went into profits. Now, in this whole project of 5.5 crores, were there any learning lessons? It almost sounds like a fairy tale. So, did you meet any losses? Did anybody cheat you? वहाँ पे कुछ हुआ? Or it
या
was
या या बहुत कुछ हुआ. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि I met one contractor, everything, the things started. So I learned जिससे के अंदर ज्यादा देखने लगा. हेलो
yeah, go ahead.
हेलो
Yeah.
हेलो.
Hello, yeah, go ahead, Siddesh. We can hear
Am I
you.
audible, Samir?
Yes, yes, you are. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. We can hear you.
Hello. Yeah. So while doing the business, when I was getting deep inside, मतलब जब सुना एकदम डीप डिटेल में हम लोग काम करने लगे, जो हमको दिखाया इसमें बिजनेस प्लस में सिखाया गया है, you should go in the detail, what material, what procurement is there, everything and all. So I came to know that there is a difference market में और मेरे costing में, there is a difference of around 300 rupees per square feet in construction cost. So which I later realized कि boss ये गड़बड़ है. Once here maybe it was lost, but my education cost, henceforth it will never happen. And again we can see that how in low cost how we can give the good quality to the people.
Okay. So what I hear from you is we lost your audio in between. So for the audience, clarify ये करना
Hello.
चाहता हूँ कि हुआ ऐसे कि आपके कंस्ट्रक्शन कॉस्ट में आपको ओवरचार्ज किया गया, उसके वजह से आपका 1 करोड़ के
You are
कॉस्ट,
not audible to me. Hello.
आपके कंस्ट्रक्शन कॉस्ट में आपको चीट किया गया, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच आपकी कॉस्ट इंक्रीज बाय 1 करोड़ रुपीज. सो 1 करोड़ रुपया आपके प्रॉफिट्स कम हो गए. दो ऑफकोर्स यू वर इन प्रॉफिट्स, बट 1 करोड़ का ज्यादा कॉस्ट बढ़ गया. But that is wonderfully put by Siddesh. He says that is an education cost. So with that, instead of going to a civil engineering school or going to a finance school, that was a cost of education by which he learned how to do business. And those mistakes will never happen again. But the good part is the customers got what they were promised for. The flats were delivered as they were promised. So that was good. Now, after having this experience, ये 1100 acre is a huge project. अगर इसमें 75 acres का सिर्फ lake है, and that's beautiful. It looks like almost an exotic foreign location where shootings are done, and all that land is what you have acquired. I have two questions here. कि 5.5 करोड़ का प्रोजेक्ट करने के बाद आपके पास इसके लिए पैसे कहाँ से आए? That is point number one. And point number two, 1100 crores का ये प्रोजेक्ट, 1100 acres का ये प्रोजेक्ट एग्जीक्यूट करने के you lead a team, a very good team. So how did you get this team and how did you get the money?
So the
Two important questions.
पैसे जो है we found some financiers अपने साथ जो है they will be the business partner. The actual land owner उन रहे जो मैं इन्वेस्ट करने वाला to develop in the JV venture. So I got some people who will invest in the land and I will develop it for them. Meanwhile, whatever the percentage we will share by selling the land.
Okay, so then I would say that the first
And for the team, team तो सर अभी पथिक में जो हमने पथिक connect में किया और उसके साथ, so I got a best team with me right now. I have Sudhakar Khoot, who is a civil engineer.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So we have Sudhakar Khoot in our team as a civil engineer. We have interiors with Prashant Tandevkar. We have Madhavrao Desai in our team for society coordinations in Mumbai Works and all. So for this, Sudhakar is leading Dodamarg project right now. He is all doing contours and all, each and everything from pin to plane is there. Initial interiors of the villas, that will come later on. It's a later part. Prashant is taking the initiative. He's trying to learn more about that thing. He had also joined some kind of interior courses to get some more knowledge. And he's working on that. And the finance model is designed by my dad only. So how are the things are going to work out? What are the per square feet rate we are going to charge for this, and what we are going to contribute in the life of our customers and everything. So if they are here, how will be they busy? Like a small thing is how you can make a pottery and all. Very minute detailing we are looking for.
So, of course, I would say that, see, nothing goes waste, as we keep on telling you, but then this is a living proof of that. That though we always say that nothing goes waste and the dots connect later on. So,
Yeah.
the very first time when you did Pathik leadership course and you had a Vincis of raising finance of 50 crores, though that movie never got made, but you did your work of getting a finance of 50 crores. I think that experience must have helped you now to again raise finances when the time was ripe and you could take in such a huge project, and that's how the money came in, and that's how you were able to raise finances for this. But I have a follow-up question
Yeah.
to this, which is a very important question. Is see, this is a huge project, as you have rightly said now also, that आपने अभी भी कहा कि फर्स्ट वेंचर में 5.5 करोड़ में भी आपका 1 करोड़ का लॉस हो गया बिकॉज द contractor cheated you. Even in the mango business, you said that the farmer cheated you because these were new contacts. So चलो ठीक है, वहां
Yeah.
आपने लोगों के पैसे वापस किए बिकॉज वो 2-2.5 लाख रुपए ही थे, कोई ज्यादा बड़ी रकम नहीं थी. एंड देन व्हेन इट
नहीं
केम
सर,
टू
वो वसूल भी किया. वो जो फार्मर ने
ओके
हमको टोपी लगाया, वो पैसा वसूल भी किया. तो
ओके
रिकवरी
दैट्स
पार्ट
गुड
वाज
दैट्स
आल्सो स्ट्रांग एट द सेम टाइम.
great. So you have really digested business plus very well. Now but I have a important question here. My agenda
Yeah.
is this के चलो वो आपने see that is under your control. 2-2.5 लाख रुपया is under your control and 1 करोड़ का लॉस भी आपने सहा for the sake of your values, which as I'm very happy. But still you made up around a couple of crores आपने उसमें कमाया. But इसमें if things go wrong, it could be a huge loss. So when you're tying up with people, you're talking about Sudhakar Khote. I know him, but then the people who are listening to us, the audience may not know him. So इतने बड़े प्रोजेक्ट के लिए जब आप किसी और का पैसा उठा रहे हो, तो how long do you know Sudhakar Khote? How long do you know Prashant? इनको how long do you know Madhavrao Desai? I think Madhavrao Desai also has helped you to get some more business in Mumbai. We'll come to that
Yeah, in
later.
Mumbai. Yeah.
Come to that later.
So,
My question is, how long do you know these people? And how can you trust them in such a short time?
yeah. Sir, Prashant, actually, he is a student of my dad, first of all. Then then dad
So you know for
introduced
a long
me. He
time.
came for my office interiors. Then,
Okay.
yeah. So, actually, my dad knows him. He came for my office interiors, and then once I called him at our this Patik session at this Ravindra Natya Mandir somewhere in
Okay.
Dada. So from that time we got together, or it might be 3 to 4 years back.
You
I'm
know,
knowing Prashant, and ये सब करते करते सुधाकर खोत भी we met in a connect. First of all, Sudhakar Khote I met in a connect,
in Pathik Connect. You
and
were in
from that we are together.
that is
मैं
hard.
देख रहा था, yeah, Sudhakar Khote. Hello,
Yeah, you know him for 1 year. You know
hello.
Madhavra Desai also you met in Pathik Connect only, right?
So can't hear.
Pathik Connect, Madhavra Desai also you met in Pathik Connect only,
No, Business Plus. He was with me in Business Plus, last Business Plus.
right? So you know these people only for 1 or 2 years. So how could you really trust them for 1 or 2 years? I mean, खाली 1-2 साल में इतना बड़े project के लिए partnership, was it comfortable? How did it work out?
तो कैसे है ना, अभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग सब जितने भी हमारी टीम है, तो वी गो टेल के पहले भाई तू पथिक कर, फिर हमारे साथ आ. तो अभी मेरे को ऐसे ही आपने ट्रेंड माल दे दी है. और दूसरी बात, जब इनसे बात हुआ, जब इनसे मैं कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहा था सर, तो इसमें एक चीज देखने को मिली कि हमारे वैल्यूज मैच हो रहे.
Okay.
तो
That's
देयर वाज अ वन इंसिडेंट हमारे इसके प्रोजेक्ट में भी. कंट्रोल सर्वे करने का था, दोडामार्ग का प्रोजेक्ट था, 1100 एकड़ का कंट्रोल सर्वे. वेरी बिग थिंग, 4 महीने का कंट्रोल सर्वे. एक स्मॉल इंसिडेंट शेयर करता हूँ. So Sudhakar came with that contour guy. He bought that contour guy from Kolhapur somewhere. So he told that he will charge 10,000 rupees per acre for contour.
okay.
Which we said it is no 20,000. Which we said ke it's very high. Actually, it should be costing
Yes.
around 2,500 or 3,000 somewhere.
Oh,
Then
that's it.
Sudhakar told there must be some latest technologies. Latest पे भी कितना करेगा ये?
Mm-hmm.
So while going back, he was with them only. While going back, he asked him, "What is the thing? Why you put it so high?" So that person told him कि अभी ये लोग इतना ज्यादा कमाएंगे, 700-800 करोड़ का प्रोजेक्ट है, तो हम हमारे ऊपर 2-3 करोड़ खर्चा किया तो क्या है?
Right.
सेम टाइम सुधाकर कॉल्ड मी, साहब ये अगर फुकट में भी काम करेगा, इसके साथ काम नहीं करने का,
Okay.
बिकॉज इसका ये सही नहीं है, इसका
Values are
रवैया सही नहीं है.
yes.
या सो देयर वी सेड के वैल्यूज मैच हो गए हमारे.
Okay.
बहुत सारी चीजें वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड ईच अदर. नाउ फॉर यस्टरडे वी हैड अ मीटिंग. लांजा का एक प्रोजेक्ट है, इधर होटल का प्रोजेक्ट चालू हो रहा है. तो I asked him, Sudhakar, do you really need me there? Right now I'm in Konkan. I asked him, you need me there in Mumbai for the meeting? He said, no, you go. I will conduct the meeting. I will do everything and all. So उन लोग ने सक्सेस कर दिया उधर, 4 करोड़ का प्रोजेक्ट फाइनल करके भी आ गए.
Okay, wonderful. So
So
that
the
means
things are like this के
what I'm hearing from you is that
and values match हो रहे हैं सर. So there is nothing there. Madhav Rao is a ex army man, and he,
yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
yeah, Madhav Rao is ex army man, and one thing वो है ना, कभी हार नहीं मानते. वो पैनिक होते हैं थोड़ा सा, लेकिन वो कभी हार नहीं मानते, वो पीछे नहीं हटेंगे. उनको अगर बोले अरे माधव राव इतनी सोसाइटी कनेक्ट हो रही है अपने, ज्यादा करने, सर मैं करूंगा, किधर से भी लेके आऊंगा. एंड ही इज एकदम ऐसा जोशीला आदमी है. उनसे वन कॉमन फैक्टर बिटवीन ऑल ऑफ अस इज द वैल्यूज which we will never compromise.
Okay.
And we don't even need to ask each other क्या ये इसमें हमको क्या करना चाहिए.
Okay. So ये values आपको क्या लगते हैं? Values बने बनाए आते हैं, values सिखाने पड़ते हैं. Were you just lucky that you got all these people
नहीं,
with the right values? Because this must be a very important thing, because such a big project, if you are saying the importance of a team depends on values, तो ये values कैसे train किए जाते हैं लोगों को? क्या होता है?
सर ये वैल्यूज हमने जो पथिक में सीखे हैं, और ये जो है ये नियत से आते हैं सर. नियत अपनी साफ होनी चाहिए. एंड व्हेन यू विथ ऑल रिस्पेक्ट, हम लोग सब अभी कैसे है सर, ये एवरीवन, इनका भी एक सबका फिल्टर टेस्ट हो गया था एक्चुअली.
Okay.
सो दे पास दैट फिल्टर टेस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. एक चीज ध्यान में आई कि हम लोग जब कुछ भी करते हो, छोटा काम होने दो, बड़ा काम होने दो, उसको अगर नियत से बनाएंगे ना, वो काम इजीली हो जाता है. एंड पीपल पे यू, उसमें कोई इशू नहीं है. सो दिस आर द थिंग्स व्हिच आई फाउंड इन देम. दे आर द बेस्ट. मतलब मेरे को ऐसे लग रहा है कि दे आर द बेस्ट प्लेयर राइट नाउ.
Okay. Okay. About Madhav Rao Desai, I think you and Madhav Rao Desai have worked in. This was all about your business progression in Konkan, and which is a huge project, which is
Yeah.
700 crores. But I remember you telling me, Madhav Rao Desai, and you are also working in Mumbai, and there you have backed some projects. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah. So what we see in Mumbai nowadays, the builders are not completing their work. मतलब builders बहुत ज्यादा बदनाम है, और रियल एस्टेट बहुत स्लैक है. So you're not even getting the good rates. पूरा सब डाउन है मार्केट रियल एस्टेट का. बट लोगों को अच्छे घर भी तो चाहिए.
Yes.
They deserve to be in a good place. So इसके लिए जो मुंबई बैंक ने और HDFC बैंक ने जो स्कीम निकाली थी सेल्फ रीडेवलपमेंट, we focused on that. We connected our team with one this PMC, which is on the panel of this अपना Mumbai Bank and HDFC, which gives 90% loan for the self redevelopment projects.
Okay.
And there is no builder, nothing. Society will develop their own plot, and whatever the sellable area is there, they can sell it. And if it is not sold, bank will mortgage the sellable area.
Okay. Okay.
So there is win-win situation for both of them.
Right.
And what we have to strengthen what the construction quality. Marketing तो हो ही रहा है साइड बाय साइड. अभी कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी पे वर्कआउट करना है, उसको अच्छा होल्ड पे लाना है. तो व्हाट इज द area of focus? So we decided to go for the construction first in Mumbai.
Okay.
So we'll go for the contracts. In this, Madhav Rao helped me by giving a lot of societies and everything. So currently we have 3 projects aligned in Mumbai. One is Lord Parel, second one is at Lalbagh, and third one is at Dispadal. We are working on that.
Okay. Wow. So that's good. So you have a base in
And
Mumbai. You have a
project was actually, yeah, but Vadala project was referred me by this Ashish Jagtap.
Oh, acha. Okay. Okay. So you have made
हाँ,
maximum use of Pathik and your Pathik friends, because all these are Pathiks. So I have a question to you.
all units are with me.
All Unipar,
Yes, sir.
that's, I'm so glad. Uh, uh, so I have a question for you. देखो, uh, कि, once I have a lot of students who are builders and developers. I mean, you are very new, but I have students who are very big builders and developers, and one of them one day told me that it is very very difficult to find a species called the honest builder. ऐसा मुझे एक ने बोला
बराबर है.
कि honest builder ऐसा कोई होता नहीं, इस दुनिया में honest builder नाम का कोई ऐसी जात है ही नहीं. So now when you are talking about these projects where you have earned a lot of money and we are happy for your success, and but at the same time we are hearing a 27-year-old young builder and developer talking about ethics and values. Okay, so how are you different from any other builder? I mean, when you have sold these houses, how are these houses different from any other? If I have to buy a house, 90% of the time ऐसा होता है कि घर लेने के बाद you come to know. I mean, I have, through my limited experience, but I have dealt with a lot of builders, so I know the kind of problems that are there, particularly in the cost of constructions. I'll share a small anecdote over here. So my father-in-law bought a house, and one day I had been, the builder was his friend only. Okay, तो उनके थ्रू उन्होंने घर लिया,
Okay.
और हम लोग उस एक दिन चाय पीने गए उनके पास, वो बिल्डर के पास, उनके ऑफिस में मिलने गए. तो हाय हेलो, तो माय फादर इन लॉ टोल्ड द बिल्डर के, सर जी आप प्लीज कभी हमारे घर चाय पीने आइए. तो ही सेड, ऐसा है ना गोपाल जी के मैं कभी भी जो बिल्डिंग बांधता हूँ उनके घर में कभी नहीं जाता हूँ. आई नेवर गो. तो वी आस्क्ड हिम कि क्यों नहीं जाते हो आप. तो ही सेड ऐसा है कि द मोमेंट आई गो एवरीबडी कम्स विद सम कंप्लेंट्स कि अरे हमारे यहाँ लीकेज शुरू हुआ, हमारे यहाँ ये शुरू हुआ, वो शुरू हुआ, तो मैं कभी नहीं जाता हूँ. तो देन आई आस्क्ड हिम, आई सेड सर अगर आपको ये पता है तो फिर आप व्हाई डोंट यू डू सम, टेक सम स्टेप्स ताकि ये कंप्लेंट्स ना आए. तो ही टोल्ड मी ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. लाइक ही सेड प्रैक्टिकली ऐसे चीजें नहीं होती है, बिकॉज मैं वहां नहीं रहता हूँ, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर वहां रहता है, और कॉन्ट्रैक्टर कितना सुपरविजन करता है मुझे क्या मालूम. अब आप रहते हो इस बिल्डिंग में जो 25 फ्लोर्स की बिल्डिंग है, और तभी जब बिल्डिंग बनती है तभी लिफ्ट नहीं होती है वहां. सो व्हाइल द बिल्डिंग is being made, the contractor and the supervisor they only check till the first 8-9 floors. और ऊपर का कोई चेक ही नहीं करता है. तो ऊपर का जो कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है उसमें कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो आएगा ही आएगा. अभी रोज चढ़ के कौन जाएगा, मैं तो बूढ़ा आदमी हूँ, तो मेरे को तो पॉसिबल नहीं है. और ये सुपरवाइजर भी नहीं जाते, और बिकॉज लिफ्ट नहीं होती है. तो ऊपर के 9 माले से ऊपर, इनफैक्ट ही टोल्ड मी, यंग मैन आई एम टेलिंग यू एडवाइस के कभी भी 5-6 माले के ऊपर का घर कभी मत लेना, बिकॉज वहां कोई सुपरविजन नहीं होता है, वो राम भरोसे ही होता है. तो वहां कंप्लेंट कोई ना कोई आएगी ही आएगी.
बराबर.
So how do you answer this question? I mean, when you talk about values and ethics, how do you ensure that your customer really gets the best? आपके उसके ऊपर क्या राय है? Yes, go ahead.
Can you repeat the last line? It was not audible to me.
हाँ, मेरा ये कहना है कि आपकी इसके ऊपर क्या राय है? How do you ensure that your get the best? आपके customer feedbacks क्या है?
Yes.
आप business में successful हो, I am happy, but I am now, आपकी team अच्छी है, I am happy, but since you talk about values and ethics, I want to know about the customers. How satisfied are they and how do you ensure that?
Yeah. Sir, even ये जो प्रॉब्लम हुई, I also faced the same one. मेरे बिल्डिंग में भी जो मैंने पहले बिल्डिंग की उसमें सर लीकेज हुआ. मैं ऐसे नहीं बोलता कि I was 100% परफेक्ट. लीकेज हुआ. Then we diagnosed the problem. What was the actual लीकेज किस लिए हुआ? तो then we referred कि कोंकण में तो रेनफॉल अच्छा खासा है. Then once I told you कि सर ये स्लैब का लफड़ा है, तो हम लोग को ऊपर से पतरे का शेड करके ही खत्म कर देना चाहिए बात. और हुड करके बात खत्म कर देते. Then you told me once कि ये शिवाजी महाराज ने उधर किला बांधा है, उसका किला लीकेज क्यों नहीं होता है? जो मालवन में है, उसका किला लीकेज क्यों नहीं होता है? तेरा बिल्डिंग काय को लीकेज होता है?
Who told you this?
You only told me.
I only told you. Okay, sorry.
Then we again came.
Okay.
I took Sudhakar. Sudhakar is master in waterproofing. You know that.
Yes.
He came with
Yes.
that his thermal cameras and everything, and then we diagnosed the problem. What exactly it is? So we came to the solution that अभी ये हुआ ठीक है, okay. we'll sort it in such manner कि इसको आगे होना ही नहीं चाहिए leakage. So we are working on that only. We were supposed to do it by this March, but due to COVID, it is extended. हम लोग ने पूरा इसको client को सबको बोला है कि we will do it up to this end of October, and we had given in writing
Oh, okay.
one thing. Yeah, so there will be no leakage henceforth. And also for your security, we will construct the hood also. We'll do that also, and we will construct the hood also plus.
Okay, okay, okay.
So that is the thing. Secondly, मैंने जैसे बोला कि मैंने मेरा एक फ्लैट रखा है अंदर,
हाँ,
तो वो फ्लैट मेरे रहने के लिए नहीं है, मैं बाहर जाता भी नहीं हूँ. That is assurity to the client that I am always with you.
okay, okay.
I am not the one who is doing only the
So you also have your vested
व्यवहार.
interest in that.
Yeah. मैं आपके साथ हूँ. I am with you. And secondly, कैसे है सर, मैं मेरे बिल्डिंग में जब भी कोंकण आता हूँ, so what are the building I had created, मैं हमेशा जाता हूँ. I ask people, okay, what problems you are having, क्या है, and I love to solve their problems.
This is different because I rarely see builders. See, when we buy a washing machine, I always keep on telling in my class also, when you buy a washing machine, you get a warranty. But it's very difficult to find a builder who's going to say that there is going to be warranty. But I'm happy that there are so many Pathik builders now who are giving warranty and who are also helping people to solve their problems even after the property is sold. In fact, for the viewers, I would like to tell you that Siddesh is, I think, the second one who has done it. There's one more builder. We will take his also interview one day. That's a revolutionary story again. But these are the people who, while giving possession to their customers, even Siddesh has done it, they do a program, so which they have modeled on. I should proudly say the idea is copied from the Pathik graduation ceremony. So on the last day of the Pathik leadership course, we have a grand graduation ceremony where we hand over the Pathik diplomas in a very grand manner. We have music put on to invite the person on stage, and the person is invited on stage with that live music or a song. He's supposed to come on stage dancing to receive his diploma. These guys copied the same idea, and I'm very glad that they did. For while giving away the keys of the flats to the flat owner. So the idea is that whenever you buy a house, that's a very proud moment in your life. A person is investing almost his life's earnings into buying that house. So it's a very proud moment of his life, and one of the biggest purchases of his life he would ever do. So these people have a graduation kind of a ceremony, a celebration where the whole family is invited, and they are called on stage, and their favorite song is played on stage, and very proudly they are given the keys of their house, saying that this should be a moment we should cherish throughout your life, and you should remember that you have bought a house, and the whole family is invited, and in presence of everybody the key is given. So that is a wonderful thing that really touched me, that here things are happening in a different way. Business is being done with passion, business is being done with values, where we not only earn money, but we really experience the joy of doing business. And at the age of 27, that Siddesh is doing this. It's not only about earning money, it's not only about managing your business, but it's done with a lot of passion, a lot of integrity, and a lot of values. And that's when you really enjoy doing business on your own terms. So this was really, really, really wonderful, Siddesh. And if at 27 you are doing this, I can hardly imagine what you would do in the next 20 years. And I'm absolutely sure that you're going to do something which will do the country proud. Because the scale at which you are doing, you could be really contributing positively to the country. Because I would like to tell the viewers that when we talk about values, it's not about only doing businesses. It means paying your taxes honestly, by which you are contributing to the society. Working with your team members, so you are transmitting your values to them, and most importantly, you are telling the world that things could be done honestly, things could be done in a straightforward manner, and looking at this, other people also get influenced. The world becomes a much more positive place to stay in, because of which, and that's our philosophy, and which young people like Siddesh are taking the legacy forward, and I'm so proud of them. That it's not only about your career, but it's also about developing yourself and the people whom you are taking along with you. So, Siddesh, my last question, we have almost the time done. So, how do you look at the future now?
So, if you really ask me now, पहले ऐसे था कि पैसे से फर्क पड़ता था. अभी पैसे से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Money is just a byproduct. वो आए नहीं आए तो भी चलेगा. और जरूरत अभी लॉकडाउन में हमको दिखाई दिया कि अपने जरूरत कितने हैं. So 6 months with no malls, nothing, no cinema halls. So it's okay. We can survive well, very well. In fact, instead of having all the junks in us, ये अपना अच्छा खाओ, natural रहो, मस्त happy रहो. So money is the byproduct one. And secondly, my first concern is my team should be always happy at any cost.
Okay.
अगर मेरी टीम हैप्पी है, मेरे कस्टमर अपने आप हैप्पी. And there should be no glitch in the team. There should be no wrong person in the team. So before taking anyone, verify. जितना वो शादी करते हो लड़की ढूंढने का ये करते हैं वेरिफिकेशन, उतना ही वो टीम के वो वेरिफिकेशन होना चाहिए कंपलसरी. तो उससे भी ज्यादा होवे तो भी अच्छा है.
So wonderful. Yes. So I think I hope all these lessons you take जब आपको भी शादी करनी है.
तो पहले पथिक कराऊंगा फिर शादी करूंगा.
अच्छा, okay. So whoever she'll first become our student and then she'll become your wife.
Yeah.
Of course, we are used to this. People have done this. In fact, just not on lighter road, it's a serious thing that, like you, there was one girl, and it was an arranged marriage, of course, but it's a true story. So there was one girl, and she had these sessions about meeting the prospective boy who was supposed to meet. सब बातचीत वगैरह सब हो गई. Everything was finalized. Income क्या है, रहता कहाँ है. They met 2-3 times, and just before finalizing the date of the marriage, she said, "I have one final condition." She told him, "Yeah, tell me, अभी तो सब कुछ finalize हुआ है, क्या condition?" She said, "No, but this is a primary condition." So the boy asked her, "Yeah, you tell me, what is it?" So she told him, "You have to first do pathik, and only then I will marry you. And if you say no to doing pathik, I don't want to marry you.
I will say no to you."
Cancelled. So they'll say no to you. And that guy was so flabbergasted. What the hell is this pathik? So she said, that's the foundation of life. अगर तुम ये नहीं करोगे तो हमारी शादी नहीं हो सकती. ये करोगे तो शादी होगी. And of course, there are so many families who have done the program, and we are so glad to have all of you with us. So I would summarize that, Siddesh, from your story, if I have to take away the lessons, it's like, first of all, two things stand out to me, three things rather. You need to do research. You need to be ready to pay the price in terms of efforts, energy, whatever it takes to reach there. Don't look at convenience, but look at learning and problem solving, which you have learning and contribution, which you have done. So A is do research and be ready to pay the price. Number two, stick to your values. If your values are right, अगर आपकी नियत साफ है, so you can find out the how anyhow. And number three, most important, is build a great team. If you have a team aligned with your values, great things can happen. Your story is a living example of how great things can happen through collaboration and through team. So a boy who was had no direction in his whole life.
One thing I would like to add.
Yes. Yes, please go ahead.
Even one thing I learned from you, this while telling the values and all, we do select our customers. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कोई आया तो माल बेच, ऐसा नहीं होता है. We select our customer because yesterday I went in the bank. जिधर मैंने जाता, actually I went to clear my car loan and everything. I told you I had cleared all my debts. There I'm 0 rupees debt मेरे पे है अभी, कुछ नहीं है, सब loans cleared.
Super.
So this is a very relaxing mood. के कर्जा नहीं है किसका कुछ. So
that's a privilege too.
I always used to ask my branch managers कि जहाँ से अभी कैसे होम लोन्स रहेंगे तो हम लोग स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया से करवाते हैं क्योंकि उसका रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बहुत कम है. दूसरा रहेगा तो इधर एक राजापुर अर्बन बैंक है जो कमर्शियल को 9% पे लोन देती है, विच इज वेरी गुड. बाहर जाएंगे तो 11-12% है, तो 9% पे उधर करो. सो आई ऑलवेज आस्क माय ब्रांच मैनेजर्स कि सर कैसे चल रहा है, मतलब मेरा नहीं, मेरे क्लाइंट्स लोन रीपे कर रहे हैं क्या टाइम पे, आर दे पेइंग यू एट मतलब परफेक्ट टाइम पे जा रहा है क्या उनका कट ऑफ, किधर किसी का ये आ रहा है क्या, एनपीए का इशू है क्या, कुछ ऐसा प्रॉब्लम्स है क्या. तो ड्यू टू दिस व्हाट आई सी दैट के जो क्लाइंट्स हमने सिलेक्ट किए वो भी रेगुलर है, दे आर गुड कस्टमर्स, इसलिए पैसा लेने में भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता है और वो हेडेक नहीं रहता है. वसूली के लिए आदमी रखो अलग से, कीप ऑन कॉलिंग देम अगेन एंड अगेन. ये सब ये एक्चुअली दिस इज द वेरी टायर्डनेस जॉब. तो ये अपने आप अवॉइड हो जाता है. सो इफ द कस्टमर यू सी दैट ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू पे यू वेल, ही इज नॉट getting in our mold. So we should say no, mat lo aap, chalega.
Yes, yes. So research, good
This was
value,
the one thing which I did.
good values, good team, and good customers. Okay, and I think that's what I picked it up
Yes.
from you. And the last thing is, of course, the finance management is be loan free. Do not take loans.
Yeah,
And
yeah, yeah.
there are, let me tell you, uh, 9 out of 10 builders today are in big trouble because everything is
Of loan.
huge loans and their inventories are lying. And here we have a builder developer who has a big project under his name, who has got a JV, who has got finance, and who says he doesn't have loans. We are very, very proud of you, Siddesh,
Thank you.
and we wish you all the very best. So
Thank you.
thank
Thank you,
you,
sir. Thank you.
friends. With this, we wind up this interview, and I hope you have got insight
And
from this.
yeah, yeah. And I would like to thank all the team members
Yes, yes, Siddesh,
with
please.
me today. I would like to thank Mr. Suresh Jatar, who introduced me to the Pathik in 2000. Sorry,
10.
2012. 12.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
2012 he introduced me to Pathik.
Yeah.
And then again to whole team of Pathik, Subhash, Samir, uh, and this Sapna, Mangesh, Girish, everyone. And also to my Pramod Mama, he gave me the opportunity for the first building. He trusted on me. And also the clients who trusted on me क्योंकि builder तो नया था, उसको
Yes.
पता नहीं था कुछ. और when a person of 24, 25 years, when he talks about the lakhs rupees, और मैं आपको ऐसा करके दूंगा, ऐसा बना के दूंगा, सर लोग विश्वास नहीं रखते थे पहले, भरोसा नहीं करते थे.
True, true, true. I
So
agree with
those who trusted me, I मतलब दिल से thank you उनके लिए. Because of them, whatever I am today, because of
you.
you
So
guys,
that's
whatever
that
I am
was.
today.
So we have this wonderful story from Siddesh. I hope you guys have picked up your learnings from this. Next Sunday we'll be back again at 11 with yet another story about how the fourth episode of Pathik Tales, about how using the principles of standard common principles of life, how these people have made it in their life, and they have been successful, and they are looking up positively in this times of crisis during the COVID crisis and lockdown. Thank you very much, my dear friends, and see you next
Thank
Sunday.
you.
Thank you, Siddesh, once again. And here is
Thank you,
Samir
sir.
signing off. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.